Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wyze Cam with Wyze app step by step clearly.
Open the Wyze app on your smartphone.
If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store.
Once the app is open, tap on the sign up button if you are a new user.
If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and tap login. Press and hold the setup button on the Wyze Cam until you hear a voice prompt. The app should now display a prompt to connect to your Wyze Cam. Select your Wyze Cam from the list of available devices. If you do not see it, tap the Add Device option and choose Wyze Cam.
Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network.
You will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Ensure that the Wi-Fi network is 2.4 GHz, as Wyze Cams do not support 5 GHz networks. Once you enter the password, tap the Next button. Your Wyze Cam will then attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network.
After a few moments, the app will confirm that the connection was successful.
You can now rename your Wyze Cam, if desired, for easy identification.
Tap Finish to complete the setup process.
You should now see a live feed from your Wyze Cam on the app's home screen.
Take a moment to explore the app and its features.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.